Hello, my fellow grocery addict, it's Jackie, and I'm actually at Target. Target is offering a $25 Thanksgiving meal, and I'm going to see what $25 can actually get you. It's supposed to feed a family of 4. I think it seems a little incomplete, so I'm going to round it out and tell you what the cost for what I think a family of 4 would spend using their deals, still using what they called their Thanksgiving meal, but I think it needs to be a little more rounded out than what they're sharing and see what the actual cost is. I think it would be kind of fun, and we're going to get into Target and get the Thanksgiving meal right now. Okay, to know how much money I have, I need to get the smallest turkey possible. And okay, so the breast is $1.99 a pound. Then we got the big guys for 99 cents. Hard to get $25 when all of the turkeys are giant. Okay, so starting off, they mentioned a 10-pound turkey in the ad. The smallest turkey I could find was 16.66 pounds, so I'm at $16.49 with the smallest turkey. So let's see how far I can get. Okay, so russet potatoes are $2.99 for 5 pounds. We'll get those. Now the hard thing is, this doesn't have butter, it doesn't have milk, it doesn't have anything to flavor to make your mashed potatoes. Because I like my mashed potatoes to taste good, I am also going to get some milk at $2.69 for the gallon. Same with butter. I'm going to get the cheapest butter, $3.99. I'll get Land O'Lakes since it's on sale. Same as the Good and Gather brand, but $3.99. You need butter to season, even for your turkey. Okay, another thing they mentioned was the cream of mushroom soup for $1.39. French style green beans, 99 cents. However, you need several cans for 1 can of cream of mushroom. So I'm gonna get 4 cans of these at 99 cents. In my opinion, I can't believe they tell you to buy green beans and cream of mushroom and they don't tell you to buy French fried onions, $2.99. So this to me is a must if you're making green bean casserole, but it's not included in the 25. Okay, this is one of the items they mentioned, the turkey gravy, $1.99. I actually feel like you could not buy this because the turkey comes with gravy packet, but I'm gonna get this because they mention it. Okay, they have the cranberry on sale, $1.99, whether you get the cranberry sauce or the jelly. My husband likes the jelly, so I'm going to get that. But I'm going to replace my green beans because Good and Gather green beans are only 69 cents. So instead of 99, you can get them for 69, which is a better deal. And as I was thinking about it, I guess 4 people, you don't need 4 cans, so you could get away with 2. So that's what we'll do. 2 cans of the green beans at 69 cents, and I'll put the 99-cent ones back. Pumpkin pie mix would also take evaporated milk, a pie shell, and eggs, and it's already $3.69 on sale, so I'm going to see if I could find a pie cheaper than making one. Stovetop is on sale, and I think a box is good enough for 4 people. It's $1.99. They have turkey, sage, and chicken. To make this, you do need butter, which of course I am getting, but I think, again, keeping out butter when you need it for the turkey, the stovetop, the mashed potatoes, it's kind of unnecessary, but it's not included in their 25, but we do love stovetop. I think you have to have Cool Whip to go with pumpkin pie. It's not an option. Obviously Aldi would be cheaper, but here it's $2.39 for Cool Whip. Also, for buying a pie crust, it'd be $6 for the pie crust. Still seeing how much it costs to buy just a pie. They're really lacking in their roll selection, but I feel like that's like a necessary part of a Thanksgiving meal. At least it always was in my house in the Midwest. So I'm gonna keep looking. They didn't have anything in the fresh area, but these rolls I think would be really a great addition to the Thanksgiving dinner. And as I mentioned, pretty paramount, so 10 rolls, $4.29, a little pricey, definitely not within the 25, but I think important. Maybe a more budget-friendly option would be crescent rolls, $3.49. Okay, so you could buy a 4-pack of these Sweet Hawaiian rolls for $2.29. It says that's the wrong sale, but you could do that. I just feel like that is such a rip-off, so I'm gonna stick with the 10 count, because who wants just one roll when you have gravy? Okay, I can't believe it. They don't have any pumpkin pies. It would have been $7.99. Actually, all their pies are gone. $7.99 for pumpkin, apple, or pecan. Another alternative, you could do something like this. The mashed potatoes, pre-made, for $4 if you buy 2, and then also get like a mac and cheese. I actually feel like this would be a really good addition, a simple addition. And if you buy 4 of them, they are, or if you buy 2 of them, they're $4 a piece. Well, I didn't even think of this first go around, but since I can't find a pie to save my life and making it is more expensive, we're gonna go with the Dutch apple $5.99 Marie Calendar pie. Okay, so what is this new total gonna be? Certainly not 25. I think it's great that Target's putting a lot of this stuff on sale, but I think it's kind of odd how they advertise a complete meal when I don't think that's quite the complete meal. I got the smallest turkey they had available, and it's well over the $10. So we're gonna see, but I definitely feel like you need this stuff to round out the family of 4 meal and a pie. I found more pumpkin pies, so I'm switching. I found the pumpkin pies, $5.99. Yay. Without the extras that I think we need, the total is $27.13. So let's add everything else. Okay, so with everything it's $54.95, but I can add in and get a $5 coupon from my Target Circle app for spending $30 on food. You can use that once in the holiday season. So it went down to $49.95, a little different than $25, about twice the cost. Cart duty. Well, my suspicions were accurate. $25 isn't going to get you a full-on meal. You need the butter. You need the milk. You need to have a dessert at the end. And obviously, whatever you eat on Thanksgiving can be a Thanksgiving meal. And I think it's great that Target has sales, but I think about $50 can get you a much more complete meal. Let me know what you think in the comments and what am I missing. And obviously, I think all of these are going to do much better for your budget than Target did. But this was fun. We will enjoy the food. And if you want to see a normal grocery haul from Aldi, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao and ciao.